Our today's program is write a program in Python to input a number and check whether the entered number is budge number or not. So dear student, we have to enter number and check whether the entered number is budge number or not. A number is said to be budge number if it ends with 7 or is divisible by 7. So dear student, a budge number is a number which ends with 7 or divisible by 7. For example, 1007 is a budge number because it ends with 7. 343 is also a budge number because 343 is completely divisible by 7. And 77777 is also a budge number as it ends with 7 and also it is divisible by 7. So dear student, budge number are those numbers which ends with 7 or divisible by 7. Now I am going to make a program of budge number in Python. A equal to int input, enter any number. If a %7 equal to 0 or a %10 equal to 7 colon print a is a budge number, else colon print a now save this program. Now click at option run and choose option run module. If we enter number 343, then program will print 343 is a budge number because 343 is completely divisible by 7. Click at option run module. If we enter number 17, 17 is also a budge number because 17 ends with number 7. If we enter number 77777, then 77777 is also a budge number because it ends with 7 and also it is completely divisible by 7. I hope that you understand the concept of budge number. Budge number are those numbers which are completely divisible by 7 or it ends with number 7. So these numbers are called budge number. Thank you. Have a nice day.